This sunny day had brought me to the Come On Inn to investigate the biggest case of my life. A murder case. My previous case to this was finding my mother's cat. Unfortunately, Mittens still remains lost to this day, but I never give up hope. One day I'll find Mittens, but I knew I would solve this case and it would put me on the map. People would liken me to the great detectives like Sherlock Holmes or Inspector Gadget.
Welcome to the Come On In. Won't you come on in? Pop. Where do you think you're going?
I'm going to the...
You're not going anywhere with those filthy shoes. I've just cleaned this floor, and if you think that I am going to let you walk on my freshly mopped floor, you have never stinking. Won't you come on in?
It was your average hotel. Apart from that woman, nothing seemed to be out of the ordinary.
Why, hello, and welcome to the Come On In. You're already in, so I won't ask you to come on in. Ha. You must be intrigued as to who I am.
Actually, I need to speak to
Lady Windsor is the name. Although I'm not related to the royal family, but I assure you I'm as intriguing.
That's very nice, but
I met Harry at a party once. Nice guy. We had a lot in common. Can't say the same for his brother. You know, the guy who is king now. I know a lot of his secrets. But wouldn't want my head lopped off for speaking too loud.
Yes.
Anywho, must I see around?
It was your average hotel. Apart from that woman, nothing seemed to be out of the ordinary.
Shoes off, I cleaned this. I also swept the floor. No one cares. Welcome to the Come On In. We're so glad you came on in.
All this woman needed was a white cat, and she'd be the perfect villain. She goes straight to the top of the suspect list.
Your name?
Jenny Barnaby.
Jenny Barnaby. Can't seem to find your name. Did you book with Shayla?
No,
That's good. She died. She could put your reservation anywhere.
No, I don't have reservation.
No reservation? Welcome to the Come On In. Thank you for coming on in. Here is your complimentary glass of wine. She doesn't have reservation. No reservation, no wine.
You don't understand it here, but the murder.
Shh, not so loud. You can scare the guests.
I understand. Complete discretion. Where is the body? As I looked at this beautiful young girl, I couldn't help but wonder.
What the? Dirty girl.
Ma'am, this is a crime scene.
Must be cleaned.
You'll contaminate the evidence. You'll have to wait until forensics have taken tests.
When are they coming? And what tests?
They'll be here soon, very soon, and we'll take all sorts of tests. You wouldn't understand. The truth is, I didn't understand the tests either.
Hurry up. Awfully suspicious.
Go away.
What is it?
Strawberry. As I licked on this lolly, I couldn't help but wonder about the film I watched last night. I thought to myself, is it actually possible that a pig can really be a sheep herder? Or was this a film of fiction? Have you seen the film Babe?
No, I have. Would you like to discuss the morals of the story or the character arcs, perhaps? Maybe another time.
I need to see the girl's room.
Robert! Can you take the detective to her room?
Yes, sir. Right away, sir. For you. They don't have a reservation.
I know, but I like you.
Thank you.
Don't mind me.
Who is that?
No idea. Come.
What are you doing?
I need to clean.
How many times? This is a crime scene.
This is a dirty bedroom. It needs cleaning.
Remember, I'm always here for anything you need.
Who is that?
Who was who?
That person.
No idea. They look dirty though. I clean now.
No, just stay still and don't touch anything.
I got this for you because I like you.
Thank you.
People think we, the English, invented tea. Ha 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 ha. We only drink it. Wonderful invention. Any luck with the investigation?
Well,
I thought not. I met the Lake Queen. Don't you know? Wicked sense of humor. Ha 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 ha. Oh, by the way, I own the hotel. I'll be over here if you need me. She doesn't.
what kind of a woman sleeps on a mattress on the floor and has a travel mug and penknife? I think I have it. Robert, gather everyone.
I'll do it, but only because I like you. I'm here already.
No one cares.
Who are you? Never mind. If you're ever looking for work, let me know. I'm the caretaker. I've worked here for 50 years. Are you sure? Yes, I'm sure. Everyone, quiet. Jenny is about to speak.
Thank you. I've gathered you all here because I know who the murderer is. The strawberry lolly, the penknife, and the blow-up mattress gave it away.
I got this. It was you. You killed her. She was a messy girl who left lollipops, wrappers everywhere, and you hated her mess, so you killed her.
I wasn't here when she died. I was at home cleaning.
Of course you were. I gave you the day off.
She doesn't work here. She lives here.
It was me. Quiet, please. I'm thinking. It was the hotel manager. He wanted to blow up mattress for your own, so you killed her. It couldn't be me. I was at the beach building a mermaid out of sand.
Sounds magical, but very dirty.
It was me. I killed her. I just wanted to be noticed.
Please, please, please. Can I have quiet? It was the bellhop. You wanted her penknife because, well, it's nice.
How could you? It wasn't me. I was feeding the homeless. How could you? I trusted you. I liked you. I don't like you anymore.
It was me. Look me up now.
Then it must be me. But it couldn't have been me.
Are you sure? Yes. Well, in that case, mystery solved. Or is it?
I guess I have no more leads. I'm sorry, everyone. I have no idea who it could be.
It was me. I did it. I killed her. Me, the gadget.
Another case gone unsolved. I can't feel too bad, though. This was a hard one. A slippery killer, hell-bent on not getting caught. I guess I'll go back to trying to find my mother's cat. Maggie. Or was it Mittens? No, it was Tiddles.